Hi, I am Payal Mazumdar from Lexis and Company. Today we talk about the topic of National Funds to Control Drug Abuse. A section of the Narcotic Drugs and Substances of 1985 provided the basis for its creation. Its national corpus was 23 crore. National Fund on Controlled Drugs, a recent recommendation from the Ministry of Socio Justice and Empowerment suggests that the National Fund to combat drug abuse to utilize the implement the addiction programs rather than the only enforcement measures. Discriminatingly, the position of small amounts of narcotics for personal use is another suggestion made by the minister. The concept behind is the National Narcotic Drugs and Substances Act of 1985 included a clause that led to the creation of the fund. The central government shall utilize the fund to pay for any or all of the costs associated with the actions taken to combat the illegal trade in or regulate misuse of narcotics, drugs and substances for all and any of the reasons stated in section 1 of section 71, and its national corpus was rupees 23 crore, and the funding was according to the NDPS Act. The revenues from the sale of act property, that the forfeited grants from individuals and organization and income from the funds investments all go into the fund. World Drug Report 2021 talks about globally 275 million individuals took drugs in the previous year. There were almost 36 million persons who had drug use problems. Most nations have reported a rise in cannabis use during the epidemic. Over the same time period, there have also been reports of non-medical drug usage. According to the most recent figures, 5.5 of the people aged 15 to 64 had taken drugs at least once in the previous year. The number of persons who inject drugs is estimated to be all over 11 million, and half of them have hepatitis C. Now, drug use in India is a total of around 60,000 cases were filed under the NDPS Act, of which more than 33,000 were cases of drug possession for personal use and more than 26,000 involved possession of narcotics obtained through trafficking, according to the National Crime Records Bureau Crime in India 2020 report. That's all from this side. If any of the doubts regarding this topic, please let me know in the comments.